If you go to open an app on your iPhone, but every time you open it, it just immediately crashes and closes, there are certain steps that you can take that would definitely get that fixed. The first thing that we're going to do is, for example, let's say Instagram is the issue. Let's open up the Instagram app here and say it crashes out and closes out. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is make sure it's fully quitted out of. So we're going to take our finger from the very bottom and swipe up, and then we're going to exit out of the Instagram app and every app that's currently open. So close out of every single app. The next thing we're going to do is tap on the App Store on your iPhone. So tap on the App Store. And from here, we're going to search for that specific app. So in this case, again, Instagram. Check to see if there's a software update available. If there is an update available, just go through the process of updating it. You can see if it says open, there's no update. However, if it does say open, we do have another option for that. Let's force update it by offloading and reinstalling it. So to do that, let's head into the settings app of your phone. And you can see midway down is general. Just tap on the general option. And then we'll tap on the software, or rather iPhone storage, the third option. From here, you'll be able to see an option for Instagram on this list. There it is. You're going to offload this app or whatever app is causing crashing or issues with you. So just offload the app and go through the process of reinstalling it. This force updates it and deletes out all of the cache and temporary files for that specific app. A lot of times that fixes the issue. However, if it doesn't fix the issue, let's go back to the very beginning of your settings here. When you're at the beginning of the settings, you're going to tap on the general option towards the bottom. From here, you'll be able to see, if you scroll down a little bit, is background app refresh. Let's tap on that. And at the very top, tap on background app refresh. If this is turned on and that specific app is turned on, like Instagram, essentially you want to tap at the very top and make sure this is toggled off. You don't want to use background app refresh. This can cause bugs and glitches in that specific app as it's constantly running in the background. After you've gone through all of these steps, if it's still not working, let's go back to the very beginning of your settings again. And again, at the very bottom, we'll tap on the general option. And then we'll scroll to the bottom and hit the shutdown option. You'd be surprised how many times just turning off your phone and turning it back on fixes a ton of bugs and glitches on your phone. It could have been up and running for days or weeks. So just shut it down and then start it back up again, and you should be good to go.